You are watching HobbyKit, a one-stop tech gear.
Hello everyone, welcome to HobbyKit channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use button widget in Blynk application. Yes, I'm going to explain the functionality of the button widget present in the Blynk application by using Node MCU and an LED. We will trigger this LED by using the Blynk widget. So all we need is a Node MCU to control and an output LED. So now let us begin with the circuit diagram. For making circuit diagram, I am going to the website called circuitio.in website. So click on app. I will be giving the link in the description as well as in the iCard. Accept the terms and condition. And this is all bullshit. Yeah. Now we are using Node MCU, so we are swapping with Node MCU. And in the search bar, search for Node MCU and click on swap. In the same way, we want LED. So we will type LED. Basically LED is an output session. So I will select output. I will select output here and then I will search for LED. No, this is an RGB LED. Yes, here it is. So click on add. Our circuit diagram automatically generates itself. Here you can clearly observe that the negative terminal of the LED was connected to the ground pin of the Node MCU and the positive pin was connected to the digital pin D2 of the Node MCU. This is the ground, negative wire is connected to the ground of the Node MCU. Here is a resistor for a safety purpose. It may or may not be used. So now I will open my Arduino IDE to program my microcontroller Node MCU. It will take a bit more time. Okay, meanwhile, yeah, it is open. So I'll maximize this window. Click on files, go for example and search for Blynk libraries. So in my previous video, I have made how to install Blynk in Arduino IDE. I will be giving the link in the description. So now click on board Wi-Fi and select ESP8266 Chandelier and maximize the window. So this is the code we are uploading to our microcontroller. Here you need to change your SSID, that means your Wi-Fi name and password, your Wi-Fi password, and also the authentication token which will be given by the Blynk application. So you need to just modify these three terms in your code and upload the code. Yes. So let me change my Wi-Fi name, password and auth token. Yes, I have successfully changed my Wi-Fi name and password. So click on upload button and also make sure that you have selected the correct port by clicking on tools, port and in my case my port is COM4, so I have connected to the COM4. COM is communication port. It may be differ from system to system. So our code is uploading into our microcontroller. Let's wait for the magic. If you are new to Arduino IDE, I have already made a video how to install Arduino IDE in your Windows. I will be giving the link in the description. Check the link. Also, I have made a dedicated video on including ESP8266 libraries in the Arduino IDE. Yes, our code is successfully uploaded. So let's jump to the application of the Blynk. In your Android device, install Blynk application. As soon as you open, you will click on new project and select Node MCU as we are using Node MCU, and give a project title. I'm giving as button. Click on create. An authentication token will be sent to your email, which you have to change in the code, and select the button widgets. Here there are two buttons available. One is a normal button and the other one is a stylish button. But I think it was not so stylish. Yeah. I'm maximizing the icon, and now we will change the pin to D2. Since we have connected the LED to the digital pin D2 of the Node MCU, and also from push to switch. Let me explain what is this push and switch. So select D2, and I am leaving this as push for your better explanation. Yeah, similarly in stylish button widget, yeah, you can see that there are different options, that is different shapes of the icon, and also yeah, so you can change out your icon look. That's it. Now let's go to the live example. Here you need not to connect to the same Wi-Fi. Your mobile can connect to any of the network, and the Node MCU has to connect to one network, and the Blynk will send the data to the Blynk server and then to the microcontroller via internet. I have explained the Blynk functionality in a video, and I will be giving the link in the description. Check it as well. So in my next video, I will show how to control this button widget by using virtual pin V0, V1, etc. Yes, we can also control LED by using virtual pin. In my next video, I will be uploading that.